And here we go. Episode 4 of the challenge where I flip my stimulus check into 100K. I will show you every penny I made at the end of this video, so please wait till the end if you're trying to see if I photoshopped or lied about anything. I spent the last 4 months trying to create wealth from $600. And if you guys don't know me or this is your first time watching a video of mine, I'm Ish the Trapper and I own 3 six-figure marketing agencies that do annually combined revenue of around 7 figures. I started this challenge so I could prove to anyone that doubts my skills and have irrefutable evidence that I'm one of the most talented, hardworking entrepreneurs on YouTube. A lot of these entrepreneurs will start these challenges just to get views and subscribers, but I'm doing this to prove a point that you don't need to be Bill Gates or Grant Cardone to be a successful entrepreneur.
You know what they say.
As you guys can see from my last 3 videos, they didn't get that many views. So if I was actually doing this for the views, I'll totally cut the challenge. But no, I'm gonna complete it and show you guys the kid in his room can scale to 6 figures in 4 months. Enjoy the show, guys. This challenge has been one of the most fun things I've done in a very long time. I'm not here to flex on people or, tell people that I'm better than them. I'm literally just making this series not to go viral, not to prove to the world that I'm some crazy entrepreneur guy. I'm here to prove to the world that there's other opportunities and there's possibilities in this world that exist. And you don't have to go into real estate. You don't have to be the next tech entrepreneur. You do not need to have hundreds of thousands of dollars in the stock market. And you definitely don't have to go and invest into Dogecoin to make money. Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Ish, and welcome to episode 4 of the stimulus check to 100K challenge. This is where I go ahead, my $600 stimulus check, and try to scale it to $100,000. There was obstacles in the road, there was road bumps, there was mishaps, there was problems the whole way through. But if you guys haven't seen episode 1, 2, or 3, guys, I definitely recommend you guys go check those out because those are very important to follow up with the series. This is just a follow-up video to show you that what I've been doing in the past 4 months. Anyways, guys, let's get into the video. Okay, guys, let's get into it. So far, we made a lot of money, but have we made the 6-figure mark? I don't know. You have to watch the end of this video to find out. So pretty much, guys, right now, I want to break down what I did in the last 4 months that helped me get to the point where I am right now. So as of right now, guys, we're sitting on a lot of money in terms of the revenue from the business, but we did do a lot of investing and stuff like that. But I want to talk about the total revenue because that's what matters more. I did investments because I wanted to do investments, but total revenue is still the total revenue from this business alone. So right now, guys, I have 3 marketing agencies that are all doing really, really big numbers. So those aren't going to be into consideration. This is a baby agency that I started about 4 months ago. So this has nothing to do and it's completely independent from all the other agencies that I own. So you guys have nothing to worry when it comes to a revenue of this specific business. So anyways, guys, let's get into it and let's go. So guys, if you haven't watched my other series, you would really not understand what I'm talking about in this video. So I'm going to break it down in the most simplest form possible. So to catch you guys up, if you don't want to go watch those videos, which I highly encourage you guys to do if you want to be so invested into this video, might as well go watch the other ones as well. But if you don't, I'm going to give you the spark notes. What I pretty much did is I started a social media marketing agency that pretty much revolves around offering services that are social media based to clients that actually need them. Luckily, I had a lot of experience in this game. I wanted to prove it to myself that I could go out there and do it again with only $600. So this was a video series that I pretty much went ahead and betted on myself and betted on my skills and pretty much said that, like, nowadays, if you wanted to go start a marketing agency, everyone says that it's oversaturated, that it's too hard, it's very competitive, but I'm here to tell you different. I've done this before and I could do this again. That's the kind of mindset I had going into this marketing agency challenge. That's what I did. I went ahead, I started a brand new marketing agency that is doing really, really big numbers and we're trying to hit it to the 6-figure mark. In this video, I'm gonna be explaining what exactly I did to get to that number of the 6-figure mark. If we talk about revenue, we've been seeing a lot of growth. So the type of content I'm posting on the marketing agency page, it's not type of content that's educational, it's more entertainment based. It's a mixture of education and entertainment type of content. What that basically means is people stumble upon the post, but they read the caption, click the link, and then go to our Instagram page and sign up for whatever we're trying to get them to sign up for. So it'll be talking about specific things like artists getting record deals or entrepreneurs making a lot of money. And then the call to action within that post is pretty much a caption and sending them to our Instagram page. So hopefully that makes sense. And that's the kind of content we're posting. So when it comes to sales and sales tactics, what I've been doing is I've been scheduling Calendly links. I don't know if you guys know what Calendly is, but it's pretty much a platform where you could schedule a Zoom call with someone else and you guys both join the Zoom call simultaneously at that specific date at that specific time. So I've been using that very effectively. So whenever I have a conversation with a prospect or someone that's kind of interested but wants to get their foot in the door, what I would do is I'll send them the link to the Calendly. They'll go ahead and book their appointment, and now I have hundreds of appointments that I could go ahead and use and talk to people without actually having to, hit them up and stuff like that. The app will do it for you. In the sales presentation or in the sales call, a couple of tactics that I used, pretty much, first of all, I made best sales presentation you could ever see. It pretty much gets every single rejection out of the way, and they will have nothing to say when it comes to actually buying from you, because I hit every single rejection or, assumption that they probably have before working with us. So I say, are we expensive? Compare us to the market value of that specific rate for that service that's going on right now. All these kind of stuff incorporated into a sales presentation. And after that sales presentation, they're very, very satisfied and they want to work with us. So pretty much, I really killed it with that. I optimized every type of objection someone had in the sales call or sales presentation. I incorporated it into the sales presentation. So every time it kept getting better and better and better and more optimized. That was a killer way that we actually locked in a lot of clients. Second thing is someone wanted social media growth, but a business wanted some business growth. Let's just say the business has $10,000 a month, but the social media, influencer has $1,000 a month. You can see how easy that is to scale. So the business, we've been moving more into the business niche and it's been working. We have about 4 or 5 businesses that are working with us and they're doing really high ticket services with us, which basically means that we're making a lot of money with them. Other than that, guys, it's been literally insane. Our CRM has to stay organized at all time. If you guys don't know what the CRM is, go back to the last episode, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about, but it's basically an organization software that keeps all of your data secure and it keeps it in a place where you could go and find it really, really quickly. You don't have to write things down or write clients' names on a whiteboard. You can go to your CRM and find all the data you need for any specific, influencer or agent or client that you have, and you could talk to them or you could pretty much have that direct information right there and then. Other than that, guys, we've been really killing it on the content side of things. I hired a team of people that are doing the content for me now. So pretty much what we're doing is we're posting every single day a viral piece of content. We're pretty much grabbing it from Instagram, recycling it, rebranding it, and posting it on our own channel. So it pretty much makes it very, very simple for us. We don't have to go out there on YouTube and all these platforms and try to find the content ourselves. These are a couple of things that we did and helped us get to that mark where we're doing about 6 figures right now. Another big factor that helped us get a lot of clients is email marketing. So pretty much we have this software. I don't want to go too in detail because this is some high-tech stuff, but we have this software that gathers a bunch of people's information. Let's just say, for example, you follow Lil Uzi Vert and there's 20 million people that follow Lil Uzi Vert. We can go ahead and grab that 20 million people, all the people that follow him, and get their emails, phone numbers, and everything like that, and then use targeting software to run an email campaign directly to that specific audience. So it's insane stuff, guys. It's literally insane. But yeah, we've been using that specific tactic. We build softwares around this. We have coding teams that are doing this on a consistent basis, and we grabbed all that information and now we're promoting to those specific audiences. I'm not saying we're promoting to Lil Uzi Vert's audience, maybe, but what we're doing is we're actually reaching out to people that are really concentrated in the social media marketing niche and offering services to them that are most likely to buy. So that kind of makes sense, hopefully. But email marketing has been a major factor for us, and Instagram DMs, we obviously use that area to lock in the client there and invite them to the Calendly link and all that kind of stuff. But other than that, guys, that's pretty much it in terms of what we've been doing. We've just been very, very consistent, no days off, making a lot of money per day, and just having an organized system that allows us to scale really, really quickly without having to have too much hustle and bustle and try to find these people. They kind of find us at this point. So it's been really awesome. And in terms of Facebook ads, we've been still using Facebook ads. We kind of cut it down after we've been using the targeting software, but the Facebook ads is still definitely really cool that we've been using too, and it's been helping us secure clients as well. Anyways, guys, yeah, so this is the kind of stuff we've been doing in the last couple months that helped us get to the point where we are. Let's get into the numbers now, guys. Are you ready? Because I am. Okay, guys, so now for the grand finale. How much money did we make with this marketing agency? And did we hit the 6-figure market, guys? This is what you guys been waiting for. Drum roll, please. Okay guys, let's break down the finances and let's get into it. So let me screen record my screen real quick so you guys know that these are all numbers that I put together. These are not just numbers out of my head. So this is called Cash App clients, guys. So what you guys are looking at, you're looking at a bunch of clients that we've been working with and how much they paid. So we have a total of 3 different Cash Apps that are used for business purposes, and we incorporate each of these 3 for the Cash App, because if you have one, I'm gonna give you some game, guys. If you have one Cash App and you try to use it simultaneously and you get a bunch of payments coming through from one Cash App, it actually blacklists you and it doesn't let you use it too much. So what we had to do was we had to make 3 different Cash Apps to accept payments from this specific business, because Cash App's a very big platform for what we use on, but it's definitely very like kind of scary and sketchy, especially when you're trying to make money with the platform, because they blacklist clients and potential users very frequently. So if we guys look at the first Cash App, this is section A and B, you guys can see that we made about $5,000 from 52 of our clients. At the end of this video, guys, you guys will see every single transaction, bank statement, everything like that. So you guys could go out there and check it out for yourself if you're interested. I'll go ahead and make sure I do that at the end of this video. If we go to the second Cash App, this is another Cash App number 2 basically, and you guys can see all the payments that came from there. So the total came out to $4,951 for the Cash App 2. So if we go to the Cash App 3, this is the third Cash App, and what we did with this one is we did $4,912 too. So we did pretty much the same on each of them because we try to keep it as balanced as possible. But if we come out to the total that we made from Cash App alone, it's going to be around $15,038. So that's about how much we made from this specific Cash App platform. So that's not bad, right? It's not bad at all. So 14,000, whatever. That's not bad. Not too shabby. Okay, guys. Now let's get into PayPal clients, guys. First off, there was 3 PayPals that we used as well. Like I said, they keep a lot of money on hold. They do a lot of really fishy stuff with PayPal. So we had to incorporate multiple PayPals into this account, but I didn't divide it like the Cash App one. What I did pretty much is I just made all the list of all the transactions we made from the 3 PayPals and just kept it on one big fat list. So as you guys could see right here, we locked in a lot of clients, about, I would say like 150, something like that, from PayPal alone. So yeah, so about 147 clients, we made about $27,467 in terms of how much revenue we brought in from PayPal alone. So that's pretty good. So if we go to our debit clients, this is probably our most highly used platform that people pay on. So if we go to the total amount of people that paid, as you guys can see, this is straight off the stripe.com CRM Excel sheet or whatever it's called. So we're gonna check it out. So as you guys can see, there's the date from the date that we started this challenge to the date that we are at present date. So if you guys go down, $47,356. So that's how much we made total from just the debit option. So those are the 3 major platforms. We have Zells, Apple Pays, Venmos that we made a lot of money too off. I would say in total we made about $5,000 on those specific platforms. I don't have the exact number with me, but I could confidently say we made more than $5,000, but I'll lowball it and say 5. So that's $5,000 that we could add into all these numbers. So let me come right back and add these numbers together. Okay guys, the drum roll please, guys. I have been working so hard on this challenge. You guys see episode 1, 2, 3, 4, but I see month 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This has been an insane challenge, and I love everyone that's for watching this challenge and consuming this kind of content, because I am so excited to bring it to you. I am proud to announce that this marketing agency, after 4 months of being created, has made $94,861, guys. We are $6,000, kind of $5,000 short of our goal of 100K, guys. You will see every single number at this end of this video in a pretty much a screenshot format or a screen recording format, so you guys know that every single number I showed you guys is 100% legit when it comes down to actually making those transactions come to our company. This has been an amazing challenge. I am literally flabbergasted. I have no idea how to even contain myself. This is literally an insane embarkment and insane challenge that I put myself through. And you guys seen from day one what we did with this challenge and how much money we've been making with this challenge. A lot of entrepreneurs can come on YouTube and say that they make a lot of money, but a lot of entrepreneurs can't record themselves from day one to today. Making 100K is not easy, guys, and I am proud to announce that I'm almost there. I'm literally like $5,000 away, probably hit it by like 2 weeks from now, that we did this together, guys. You've seen every single part of this video. It's not like I hid anything from you. You guys seen month 1, 2, 3, 4 that everything incorporated, everything that I did around my business is all 100% legitimate, and it's just been insane to show you guys on camera because I make a lot of money, but I never actually show you guys 0 to 100K. That's insane, guys. So I'm so happy that you guys watched this video. I'm so blessed to, you know, have this opportunity where I could go ahead and, you know, restart everything. And now this business is doing so good that I want to take this challenge and go to 7 figures. Why not? This is such an insane opportunity, and I feel like we should just do it because no one on YouTube can do this. And I really feel like, you know, I'm one of the very few that could prove to the world that I could go out there and start from scratch and still be successful. So if you guys watched this video so far, please, for the love of God, just drop a like, drop a comment. Tell me you guys' experience, or tell me you guys' reaction of how you guys feel when it comes to marketing agencies, and just drop a comment. I would love to interact and engage with you guys. It's been Ish. I'm so blessed to be making this video, and I'm out. Thanks, guys. Peace. She bad, but she for the streets, yeah, she is a local center. And I don't really know why it's on me, I'm keeping that pipe on me, it is a cold winter. She posting these pics on somebody's yacht, yeah, she is a little gold digger. And I'm with the gang, we shoot anything in the hood, they calling us ISIS. I've been messed up since 2016, I do not care for no virus. I pull up Balenciaga, I cop a new kicks, I don't care what the price is. Yo, musical trash, wanna make me bite my ears like Mike Tyson. And I got this money, and I keep on thumbing, I'm running the check by the end of the day. She told me she love me, but she just want money, I left her on red by the end of the day. Constructing my property, no one is stopping me. Contractors, you know they're trying to get paid. I make my money on autopilot, so you know I don't have to work like I'm a slave. Do it, and I run like a boss. Do chase, I don't know where they are. Movement, I move with the sauce and Lambo. When you see me take off, I don't not talk about no regular bands. I don't not talk about no regular friends. All of my money, we stay to the end. All of my stay, we gonna stay to the end. Baby, bend it over, I'm trying to see you touch your toes, yo. I don't want no drama, I just want your throw, yo. I was the man, but now I feel like the GOAT, yo. Counting 100 bands and give it to my bros, yo. I was out bad, now so broke, every night it was a cold dinner. Shorty, she bad, but she for the streets, yeah, she is a little cold center. And I don't really know